Which lasts longer, a floating or a fixed lift? With proper maintenance, both can serve you well, but fixed lifts often outlast floating models. Can floating lifts handle rough water? They do well in most conditions, but if your shoreline sees heavy chop, a fixed lift provides more stability. Worried about budget? Floating lifts are more affordable upfront, while fixed lifts are a bigger investment with long-term payoff. Thinking about upgrading your boat? Fixed lifts usually handle heavier loads, while floating lifts may need adjustments. Not sure which lift fits your dock? That's where Middle TN Econo Lifts comes in. We'll help you choose with confidence. Learn more at https:/middleeconolifts.com/understanding the difference between floating and fixed boat lifts.